questions. So, yeah. I need to tell you guys some questions about, I'm just gonna tell you. So for the last 2 days, I told you that I told you for the last 2 days. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I'm talking loud. I have hiccups. So for the last two, I keep hiccuping. Okay, this last time. For the last 2 days. So for the last 2 days, she wasn't eating. For the last 2 days, she wasn't. Okay. Oh my God. For the last 2. Okay, that's enough hiccups. So for the last 2, I keep hiccuping. I don't know. For the last 2 days, she wasn't even eating. I don't know what's wrong with her. She used to eat a lot. That's how she's growing. But, she's not even eating now. Everyone has to eat. And she's just not eating. We went to the doctor yesterday and the other day and now today. For 2 times today. So I don't know what's going on with her, guys. I don't know. But I just know that the only thing I know that she is not eating. I don't know anything else from her. The doctor's checking her mouth. And I don't know, I don't know why she's not eating. I've been forcing her. I was forcing her to eat 3 times. I was just saying, just eat one thing. And she's not. She's been not eating. I told her just eat one thing. Just one thing, not one food. Just eat your one food. You know what I'm talking about. Eat all your food, but only one. But she's still saying no. I don't even know. The doctors don't even know. I'm gonna go meet with a smarter doctor. I think he knows what to do. But I've been checking her head and she doesn't feel sick. I'm so afraid that she's gonna have a food baby. Because I think she's gonna have a food baby. Well, she can't because little kids don't have food babies at little babies or little kids or teenagers. So little kids or little babies don't have that food baby. They only parents do. Sometimes, only sometimes, not a lot of times. But yeah. my neck is sore too. Sorry. Like, she has been not eating, she has been not drinking. Like, she's thirsty, but she's not drinking it. And she's also, like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Something's going wrong with her. Like, I don't know. Oh, remember that video I made that Rosie was late for school? I was so mad at her. If you guys didn't watch that, oh, I remember that show, Rosie, then I got mad at her because she wasn't, like, waking up because she was late for school. If you guys didn't check that out, go check that out right now. It's, yeah. It is me, like, with a braid and having this Barbie phone, and, like, this pink Barbie phone, and, like, that's what the video is like. And if you guys don't know what the video is, you just go to Avery Martell, Avery, and then last name Martell. How do you spell Mar? M-A-R. How do you spell Tell? Tell. So Mar and Tell. So Martell. And for the first name, Avery. 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 So I don't know. Yeah, so if you guys didn't check it out, go check it out. Like right now. If you guys are not going to check it out, that means you didn't even subscribe to it. But I already said subscribe, but subscribe to me the other video because I only have one subscriber, which I just subscribed myself. Like, I only have one subscriber. I have 11 views and it's only one video. Yeah. I'm gonna go eat dinner. Right now. So, I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna go play Roblox because, yeah, but I'll just stay here for a little bit because I haven't talked to you all that much. So, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, I've been telling her to eat, but she's not eating. I don't know what's wrong. I wish someone could just figure why she's not eating. Maybe she has a heart drip blood. Sometimes when you don't eat, then you might have that, I guess. I don't know. I don't do homework. Homework is W1. Basically gonna end it here in like 5 minutes. I didn't talk that much, but you know, she's been sleeping a lot. She's been sleeping until dinner. She's been falling asleep while looking at her food. She doesn't even want to do anything except for sleeping. She sleeps a lot. She never slept a lot before. I don't know. I think she has a heart drip blood. I think she has dripping blood. Like all like dripping blood from her. Well, I don't have dripping blood because I don't have blood dripping because if you guys do not want it, then you have to eat all of it, I guess. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna end it here. I didn't have talked about that much, but I feel like I'm disturbing her sleep. Well, I can't go in other rooms. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow, and we'll go to the doctors and figure it out. But I won't show it on the doctor's on camera. So yeah, but I'm just gonna make so she's gonna be in this room, the patient room, and I'm gonna be in the waiting room. I can wait and vlog with you guys. I might go or I might not because I have to stand there, and they don't allow cameras. They don't allow cameras. Well, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. I do need to talk to you guys more. But yeah, I don't know why. I think she has our dripping blood. What time is it? Oh, it's 7 o'clock. See, it's 7. Okay, I think I'm just gonna end it here. I really want to talk, but guys, I can't. Sorry, I have to eat dinner soon. And yeah, can I tell you what I'm eating for dinner? Dun dun dun! What do you put on a pepperoni? I just started to sleep. Oh my God, I just woke up. It's okay, it's okay.